Time for a car video. Today I'm going to change the oil filter, and air filter on a Nissan Qashqai 2012. And for the oil change, I'm going to use an oil pump for the first time. Very exciting. Here's the products that I'm going to use.
Around. Just turn it around, please.
Oh, thank you. To make the oil flow better through the machine, we have to get the oil temperature to max 60 degrees Celsius, and this will reduce the viscosity of the oil. Time to heat up the oil. Hope it won't get too warm. Let's give this whole, I want to try to get all the oil out without removing the oil plug thing going.
Good luck.
First, I have to remove the oil dipstick and put the suction hose as far in as it goes. The oil pump gets its electricity from the car battery. I'll connect the red battery clamp to the positive terminal. And the black battery clamp to the negative terminal. The oil will be pumped out into a Coca-Cola bottle, but we were a little concerned that the bottle would melt if the oil was too hot. So we did a little test. The water was boiled to exactly 60 degrees Celsius, and believe it or not, the bottle did not melt or deform. Let's get this party started. And nothing is happening. Bad party. I will try to fiddle around with the suction hose. It might just be in the wrong spot. Finally, this might get a little chaotic.
Boy, that was a close call.
I want to try to avoid an oil disaster, so a bottle change has to be done.
Good man. Good thinking.
This time it was much more difficult to find the right spot for the hose, but I found it eventually. And we are finally done! Noisy machine, but overall a pretty fun experience, and it was really worth the money. The final step was to clean the machine, and the instructions said that I have to pump through some fresh oil to clean the appliance. But that didn't work, so I just drained the hoses vertically. Gravity did its thing. Now I will try to change the oil filter with this funny-looking tool, but I haven't used this tool for a while, so it took some time to get a grip on the filter. Sorry about the bad camera angles. This was tricky to get on camera. I had to put pressure on the tool itself so it grabbed the grooves on the oil filter. Maybe there's a better way for this? Hit me with a comment if you know how to use this tool properly.
2,000 years later.
Out with the old and in with the new. Oil filter, check. Time to fill up with some new fresh oil. This is the first time I open one of these things. How do I open this damn thing? And now to the last thing on the to-do list. Change the air filter. And this was all for this exciting episode. If you want to support me, subscribe to the channel and like the clip. This helps a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.